Folks, St. Paul Steam here with something I've been wanting to show for a little while now. A friend of mine is making these and doing an expert job. Look at that. That is a Jensen style 3-inch riveted boiler. This one has the modern fittings on it, so I can use it on a newer engine. And just fabulous work. There's a reason I'm holding a paper towel, because they leave fingerprints. And that beautiful nickel plating, look at that. He makes these brand spanking new, and I highly recommend them. Nobody is doing this right now, and these are just superbly scratch built. This is a new boiler. And just excellent work. And I'm going to mount this on a project soon, so I just want to show it off a little bit before I got started and let you folks see it. So here we go. Thanks for looking. And his name is Jed Pusczykowski, and I'll try to attach a link to his YouTube forum on mine. And there you go. Thanks for looking, folks. Have a good day.